How do we create a thermometer KPI chart like this? So this is our product, this is our budget achievement. Say product 1 has 78% budget achievement and product 2 58% budget achievement. If we change the budget achievement here, and accordingly our thermometer change. So how do we create this in Excel? Let's take this data in a new sheet. So this max means the maximum 100% achievement. Let's select the data, go to the insert and take through the cluster column bar chart. First we fix the axis, format axis, and take we maximum as 1 means 100%. Now we remove the axis and remove the grid lines. Now we go to the PowerPoint to take a draw a thermometer. How we draw this thermometer? Go to the insert, shape, take a rectangle shape here. Again go to the insert, take this oval shape, shift and draw a circle. Now place this circle here, select both shapes, go to the format and merge shape as union. Now copy this shape and go to our Excel again, paste it here. Now go to the format, take shape outline as light blue and shape fill as light blue. Copy this and paste here and take format, shape fill as no fill, and again select this shape, go to the shape effects and take preset as preset 7. Now copy this thermometer, select first budget achievement, only this achievement, and paste it here. Now select this shape 100%, only the 100% of the product 1, not others, and paste it here. Like that we just change the color of other shapes, take this orange as outline and effect as, and for the 100% take the shape outline as orange. Now copy this shape, select only the product 2 achievement, paste here, select this shape and select the product 2 maximum, again change the color, say we take shape outline as purple and shape fill as purple, and this one also shape outline as purple. Copy this thermometer, select the product 3 only, not others, paste here, select the 100% bar and paste here. Now change the color again, go to the shape outline as aqua, shape fill also aqua, and select this and take shape outline as this color. Now copy again, select only this product 4 and copy again the 100%, select only the product 4 and paste here. So our basic shapes are here. Now we select only one bar, right click, go to the data point, go to the shape fill, take picture or texture fill, select the stack and scale with an unit picture 1. Accordingly select individual one, go to the picture, take stack and scale with 1. Again we select this shape, go to the picture, stack and scale with 1. Now do this for other also. Stack and scale with 1 for this picture, scale and texture fill, stack and scale 1, and for the fourth one take picture, scale, stack and scale 1, and final one picture and stack and scale with 1. Now one by one we format our thermometers. Now select one bar, right click, go to the data series, take series overlap as 100% and take gap width as say 60%. Now our bar thermometer looks like this. Now we don't need this legend here, we just reduce it, we remove the chart title. We want to now plot the data bars. Select the 100% line, select data labels. Now we want to take data labels, the achievement, right click, format data labels, take value from cells, select it, OK, and remove this value. And go to the format, take shape outline as no outline, shape fill as no fill, and we also remove this axis line, format it, go to the line and take no line. We just edit this data label, go to the home, take font size 11, bold, and one by one take this color. So first of all we take blue, second we take orange, third we take purple, and finally we take aqua. Now we want to give a tray bottom of this each thermometer, so go insert, take shape, take rectangle, draw a rectangle, take shape outline as no outline and shape fill as gray. Now right click on the shape, go to the format shape, go to the 3D rotation, take preset as preset 7, so perspective as perspective relaxed, and take rotation as 360 degree or whatever we have it, we can take it here. Now go to the 3D format, go to the top bevel and take this soft round and take depth size as 12. Now we just place this tray below the thermometer, right click and send to back. We just select this product, go to the font size, say take as 11, bold, and take as black. So our thermometer KPI chart is ready. Now if we change the percentage of achievement, it will change accordingly. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.